Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw calendar events from Google Calendar into Slack step by step clearly. First, open your Google Calendar in your web browser. Locate the event you want to withdraw. Click on the event to open its details. In the event details, look for the three vertical dots icon, usually located at the top right. Click on the three dots icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Publish Event from the drop-down list. A pop-up window will appear with a link to your calendar event. Copy this link to your clipboard. Now, open your Slack workspace in a separate tab. Navigate to the channel or direct message where you want to share the event. In the message input area, paste the link you copied from Google Calendar. Press Enter to send the message. Your Slack teammates will now have instant access to the Google Calendar event. To withdraw multiple events, repeat the steps for each individual event. Ensure the links are shared in a clear and appropriate channel for better visibility. Remember to provide any necessary details to your team about the event you just shared. Review the messages to confirm everything went through correctly. Feel free to update the links if there are changes to the events later on. That concludes the process for withdrawing calendar events from Google Calendar into Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.